Welcome to the Nordic Campers YouTube channel. Today we're going to be exploring this sanctuary. We're going to be finding the best views that this place has to offer. We're going to check out this cool observation tower and we're going to get the best donuts that this city has to offer. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So I just arrived here at the sanctuary. It's a pretty nice spot here in the middle of the city and it's got a cool little observation tower that we're going to be exploring today. It's a little snow castle. The weather is pretty nice today. It's about like -2 degrees Celsius and it might even go to the positives today, so the snow is going to continue melting. I would love to do another camping video where I would be staying the night over in the woods, but it's hard to find time being a father of a newborn and working 40 hours a week. Mushrooms from a mycelium covering the ground, one that is playfully called the Wood Wide Web. In Finland we call this the skala weather. That's when the weather goes above freezing and everything starts to melt. And after there's a lot of free water floating on the ground, it goes back below freezing. That's when you get this sheet of ice covering the whole country. That's what we call the skala weather. Let's get off the big trail and into this smaller trail. So I'm now headed towards this lake and I'm trying to find a cool view. So most cities in Finland, they have these reservoirs all over them, and that's because we like to keep the nature close to us. So in our zoning law, we make sure that these kind of reservoirs are kept as reservoirs and we are not allowed to build on them. So this is to make sure that everyone living in Finland has nature close to them and we can all enjoy the benefits from the nature. And walking around in these nature reservoirs is a pretty common thing around here. So you might see a lot of people walking past me or around me during this video. So this is the view. There are better spots around here and I'm gonna be sure to find them. This time of year is pretty scary to go ice fishing because all of the snow and the ice is melting. So I might have to pause my fishing for a while. It might be really difficult to see, but I can see someone there ice fishing now. I'm not sure if I'm brave enough to do what he's doing, because I can also see some unfrozen spots there. It's a bit of a slippery slope, but let's hope I don't fall. Maybe I should visit that island someday. This might have been the perfect time for a little walk because a week later this will be all water and muddy. So if I want to go on a walk next week, I'm gonna have to bring some rubber boots with me. I think this is the best view I can find. I really hope you can see that one guy there ice fishing. What a brave man. Because this winter there's been 13 people that fell through this lake's ice. I hope he's not the 14th one. In 1918 there was a civil war in Finland, and of course this city, Tampere, was a part of it. It was the whites versus the reds. The reds were the socialists, and the whites were the people that were against socialist regimes. And it's just weird to think that people were actually fighting here. And the civil war was right after Finland gained its independence from Russia or the USSR in 1917. The Finnish Civil War was one of the biggest civil wars here in the Nordics. And in the end, the whites were victorious. It's another ice skating track. Let's check out the observation tower and get some donuts. That's an even bigger observation tower there. I'm choosing the stairs for exercise purposes. These are the famous stairs. A lot of athletes living here, for example ice hockey players, sometimes in practice they run up and down these stairs and it's absolutely brutal. I've sometimes tried it as well and it's pretty exhausting. That was the closest I've been to sleeping actually over. So that was the little day trip to the observation tower, and now I'm gonna regroup with my family because we're going to a friend's house to spend the evening. That's why I brought these donuts, so I have a little souvenir for them. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I see you guys in the next video.